Assuming that you're searching for Hex cost expectations, estimate for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Hex, HEX, will go from here on out? We will investigate the previous costs of Hex, HEX, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master, investigators. Also foreseeing something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Hex is $0.041 and Hex is right now positioned in the whole crypto-biological system. The course supply of Hex is 173,411,074,413 with a market cap of $7,153,153,050. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by -1.43% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Hex with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Hex is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Hex is down to nearly -17.82% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. We foresee future Hex cost expectations. Hex conjecture by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized analysis on the past value information of Hex. We give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the Hex coin which incorporate various boundaries like past cost, Hex market cap, Hex volume and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Starting around August 30, 2022 Hex is exchanging at $0.041 in term of its USD rate with a value change of 0.38% in most recent 60 minutes. Hex has an all-out market cap of $7,153,153,050 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,446,253. This makes Hex, HEX, positioning at 201 in the cryptographic money market. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Hex cost expectation end of 2022, what will Hex be worth in 2022? Is Hex a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2022? Will Hex cost outperform its record-breaking high? These are our Hex cost expectations for Hex's future. Hex, HEX, Price Prediction 2022 According to the Hex Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2022 the Hex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.059. The normal least value worth of Hex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.057. Besides Hex can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.061. Hex, HEX, Price Prediction September 2022, as for September 2022, Hex cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.048. The Hex cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.055 with a typical figure cost of $0.053. Hex, HEX, Price Prediction October 2022, as for October 2022, Hex cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.053. The Hex cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.057 with a typical conjecture cost of $0.055. Hex Price Prediction November 2022, the cost of Hex is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.055 in 2022. The Hex cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.059 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.057 all through 2022. Hex, Hex Price Prediction of December 2022. As for December 2022, Hex cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.057. The Hex cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.061 with a typical gauge cost of $0.059. Hex Price Prediction 2022. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Hex, in 2022 the cost of Hex is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.057. The Hex cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.061 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.059. Hex Price Prediction 2023. The cost of Hex is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.086 in 2023. The Hex cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.097 with a typical cost of $0.088 all through 2023. Hex Price Forecast for 2024 to 2025. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Hex is anticipated to reach at least degree of 12 cents. The Hex cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 15 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 12 cents. The cost of 1 Hex is supposed to reach at any rate level of 17 cents in 2025. The Hex cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 21 cents with the typical cost of 18 cents all through 2025. Hex Price Prediction 2026. Hex cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 26 cents in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Hex cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 30 cents with the typical estimate cost of 26 cents. Hex Price Prediction 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Hex, in 2027 the cost of Hex is determined to be at around a base worth of 36 cents. The Hex value worth can arrive at a limit of 45 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 37 cents in USD. Hex Price Prediction 2028. The cost of Hex is anticipated to reach at least worth of 53 cents in 2028. The Hex cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 63 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 55 cents all through 2028. Hex Price Prediction, Forecast 2029. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Hex is supposed to reach at least value worth of 75 cents. The Hex cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 92 cents with the typical worth of 78 cents.